The Machinist ToolBox is a powerful utility. It contains a set of calculators designed specifically for machinists. The software consists of many calculators which make finding complex numbers simple. The Machinist ToolBox calculators are graphically illustrated for calculating complex trig functions such as chord data, cusp height and step over, drill tip compensation, sign plates, true position tolerances, 3-point arc centers, right triangles, oblique triangles, bolt circles, polygon calculations, fourth axis positioning, universal angle heads, thread calculation, polar dimensioning, tap drill calculations. The Machinist ToolBox also contains complete reference material for G&M codes for mill and lathe, APT, ISO, and EIA tape data, information for pitch and drill size for inch and metric taps, pipe taps, helicoil taps, roll taps, and more. One of the most powerful features within the Machinist ToolBox are the extensive material feed and speed calculators, which come with a pre-configured material library, taking the guesswork out of finding the correct feed and speed for cutting your material. The library also contains calculators for milling, drilling, tapping, and turning for both roughing and finishing operations. The material library contains hundreds of pre-configured materials including aluminums, alloy steels, carbon steels, tool steels, stainless, cast iron, copper, plastics, titaniums, superalloys, and also has a place for user-defined materials to be added. The Machinist ToolBox even includes conversion tools for many bidirectional values, for example, angles and torque, conversion tools for positioning values of I and J to R, thermal expansion, and hardness. The Machinist ToolBox even has a wizard-driven time study tool for estimating cut time and built-in conversational type tools for producing G-code for drilling, pocketing, and thread milling. For only $100, this is a tool you cannot pass up. You can order your copy today by calling 877-262-2231. That number again, 877-262-2231.